this show home is just like so dreamy. People are like blown away by it, the colour schemes and the blush and the cream carpet, and it's just like, you know, I think they just fall in love with it basically. You couldn't know it. So the type of people that have bought on the development, it's lovely because it's such a good mix. There's people who are downsizers who've maybe lived in like really large properties in Bearsden. We've got a few pilots that reserved on the development, teachers. We also have quite a number of doctors, young families, a lot of people from the West End who don't have families yet but are just sort of starting to think along those lines, so they're moving out of the West End apartment looking for their first home with a garden. So yeah, but I think for me it's lovely because it's a really nice mix of people. It's not all one type of person. For just now, at the minute we only have 2 plots available, so we're just waiting to have the final release from this phase of the development. There's another 5 plots to be released for sale, which we should have really soon, and then we'll move on to the next phase, which used to be the driving range area. But we've got so much interest in that part of the development already, so yeah, it's really good.